Okay, this rhythm is from Bach's sixth Partita, and it's the Allemande. Okay, so pretty complicated, and it has what's called an anacrusis, or upbeat. So the first sound you hear is not the downbeat. It's actually comes from the beat before the upbeat, and it's a 16th note. So imagine the music beginning on this beat back here, and this is the 16th note of that beat. So this is, let's say that each beat has 4 16th notes in it. So this is the last part of that beat. So if it's like 4E and a 1, that's what happens there. 4E and a 1. Okay. So going on that idea that every beat has 4 16th notes. Okay, here's our 8th note. That equals 2 16th notes. And then here's 4 32nd notes. That equals another 2 16th notes. So altogether, that is 4 16th notes. Without the tie, this would go ba 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 ba. You know, whereas 4 straight 16th notes go bum 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 ba. This goes bum ba 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 ba. Yeah. So the first 2 are tied together, and the next 2 are split in half, like that. That's what's going on there. And then to further complicate it, Bach's tied the first of the first part of the third 16th note to the first. So bum ba 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 ba. So this is tied ba 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 ba. And therefore, coming back from here, this fourth 16th note, this goes. So I mean, okay, before we do this, imagine if they were all just straight 16th notes. Okay? So, bum, 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 ba. But now it goes bum, bum, ba, ba, ba. Bum, ba, 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 ba. Except that this is tying to that. Bum, ba. Ba ba ba. And then it repeats bum ba ra ba ba bum ba 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 bum ba ba bum. And then we have something new. We've got, okay, you can see there's 4 16th notes in here. Okay, the first one is there, and it's got a dot. So the dot equals 1 32nd note. You know, like one of these is half of a 16th note. So that's what the dot equals. And then this is the other half. And then you do it again. So it's like without the dot, you've got the first 16th note. And then this dot and this 32nd note equal 2 32nd notes, which equals the second 16th note. And then the third 16th note. And then the fourth 16th note is this dot and this 32nd note. The dot equals the 32nd note. The 32nd note equals the 32nd note. Together they equal the 16th note. And therefore you have 4 16th notes. And what does this sound like? It sounds like, well, if it was just 4 straight 16th notes, it would go bum 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 ba. Let's go a little slower. Bum 1 E and Okay, so what we're doing is we're lengthening the first 16th note into the first half of the second 16th note, and we are filling the second half of the 16th note with the 32nd note. Same thing for this part. So that is the 1, and the E, the first part of the E, I'll just make the E like a dash, are together. But the second part of the E sounds. The second 16th note you split in half, and the second part of it sounds. And then the third 16th note, that's the and sounds, and the only the second part. We're going to split the in half, and only this one gets the sound. This one is tied to that, and this E is tied to that. So it's 1 E, 1 E, and So that's complicated. Bum ba bum ba. So I'll snap the rhythm and I'll say 1 E and 1 E and and so this is preparing to go straight into this next beat. So that was a pretty good way to do it. So bum ba bum ba ba ba. That's that part. Okay. Bum ba bum ba ba. So coming back from this third beat, we go bum ba 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 bum ba bum ba 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 bum ba 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 bum 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 ba, and the whole thing. Bum ba da 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 dum ba bum ba ba da 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 dum da 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 dun 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 da. I don't think that's exactly the melody, but it's an estimation. Actually, this isn't really a quarter note in the music, but that's the end of the first phrase. So you could do again like the last one. Pick random notes out of these 5 notes. The only rule is don't play two of them in a row. But you can do any configuration you want, with these fingers here for the right hand. You could start 5 4 3 2 1 2 3 4 5 4, 3 2 1 2 3 1 3 1, 2 3 4 5 4 5 4 3 2 1 3, something like that. Come up with any melody you like, but this frees you from having to play the right notes in quotes. But it enables you to just zone in to being able to get rhythm out of your piano keys. That's a complicated rhythm. Hope I explained it all right.